Making the actual manicotti dish has been many steps, but now you'll see how it's all worth it. The chef is going to put a small coating of our marinara sauce in the bottom of we're going to use an aluminum pan because we might even freeze some of these for later or share some, but a Pyrex cooking pan is a good thing as well. On a flat surface, putting about 2 tablespoons or so of the ricotta filling into the center, and we kind of flatten it out a little bit and then roll them each. So we're going to make 9 or 10 from this recipe. And then as we place them into the casserole dish, we're sure to put the seam side down so they don't come apart. This amount of cheese will fill enough for 6 people. We're looking at a delicious, actually vegetarian kind of item with no meat, but it does have dairy, and it's a complete meal. If we would add maybe a salad, possibly add a cooked vegetable, would be a delicious dinner for the family. After we roll all of these manicotti, we'll put a coating of marinara over the top, and we'll bake them for about 30 minutes at 350, and at the very last minute put a little bit of Parm cheese or mozzarella on top for the finished product. Substitutions are really very easy in this recipe. If you don't want to make your ricotta or buy ricotta, you could always use cottage cheese. You could use various kinds of cheeses. Some people like to add a little bit of meat or a meatball with this as a main dish. But to complement the My Plate idea for a menu, it's great to add some greens and some salad and maybe some vegetables. This recipe is high in calcium because it is so much cheese. It's relatively low in fat, extremely flavorful, and really gives a young cook lots to do in terms of technique. Making the cheese, rolling, the saute, making the sauce, and something to really be proud of. So that's it from manicotti. Let's put a little bit of sauce on the top, and we'll just show how this casserole could be ready to go into the oven. Beautiful. This is a nice picture of the finished manicotti ready for the family.